Hello, welcome back to Marvelous Vehicle. This is Alex. This food trailer is 4 meters by 2 meters and 2.25 meters high. The interior floor plan is customized. From the video, we can see it has stainless steel worktop with cabinets for storage and a sink with tap and pump. Also, we can install the kitchen supplies like coffee machine, fridge, fryer, etc. Below are some explanations about the frequent questions. Payment terms: 50% deposit, 50% before shipment. Lead time: 35 days after deposit. Welcome to visit us. Please contact me by this number and I will reply you immediately. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. If you like this video, please kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.